Hi everyone, welcome back to Candy Coffee here with Gaggia Accademia. This was brought in because of the E05 error blocked valve, which we initially thought was a bad pump, but once we put the new pump in and the problem was still the same, we realized that the pump was actually not getting the right voltage and the power board in the machine actually needed to be replaced. And once the small steam pump got the voltage it needed, it was pumping fine. So here we go, working. Let's just rock some steam real quick. Alright, let's make it espresso too. There it is, Gaggia Accademia working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Candy Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.